morning, everyone. Good morning. So it's the next day, day 3, you could say, and we're leaving today. We're gonna go grab some breakfast. Gonna go grab some breakfast and then head back into Kingston. Yeah, so it was a really nice day. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you guys the reason why we came in and we didn't get room as soon as they were saying that 600 people came in and 600 people was leaving, and because it's a holiday weekend their hands were so tied and everyone had issues with their getting their rooms and stuff. So yeah, this is my outfit and going to grab breakfast. Oh, we didn't.
Well, I never thought about it.
Yeah.
So far over, brother?
Yeah. I think your room is open. So we are currently in Montego Bay getting some KFC. They actually have barbecue chicken at this one. The one in Kingston's for some reason is sold out. So now they took our order like Chick-fil-A, and then now we're gonna pick it up.
Take the next left.
KFC or Nationals.
Chicken. I always say that to me as a kid.
No.
They're like, Daniel always want chicken.
Wow. Right. This is Jamaica's national restaurant.
Restaurant dish.
The next day.
Morning, everyone. It's the next day and I'm back in Kingston. I'm home, and today we are driving to Portland. So it's rainy, but we're chancing it to see what this day brings. So it's been raining like crazy in Kingston, especially. Not so much in the other part of Jamaica, like Negril. It's not really raining. It's raining, but it's not as much as it's raining in Kingston. So I'm ready. Yeah, and we're about to head out. It's now 7-something in the morning. We want to go there early because, you know, curfews and stuff in Jamaica. So we want to go there early. So we're about to leave and go to Portland, drive to Portland. This is one of my favorite parishes in Jamaica, and I hope it doesn't get too touristy, but it's very beautiful, and the water is clear and cool, and it just gives you a different mind state when I drive down there. I love the scenery, I like the waters, and I like the food and everything. So we're about to go down there, and I'll see you guys in a few.
Yes. Go down straight.
400 meters. Your destination will be on the right.
Oh, why you man British? Eh?
My ID. Hello.
Me see your ID, man. Why you man British?
Oh no, because how much are you want to run rough? Next week.
There's, yeah, 5 of us, 6 of us. Now, but I come over charge, you know. Come know the last time the man didn't want to charge a whole heap of money.
No, I have your reason right.
What you call reasonable now? Yeah, I told pay last time.
No man, that's long time don't wait.
Which long year? That was last year. I know they're done with that already. Oh, no man, I like that food now.
Alright, give me 2.5.
Alright.
2.5 so better.
Alright, so I got to go reverse.
You're not making one up and one make we can reverse.
I'm up there up on the one. I don't need to say after two. I know some people are staying there the morning, you know.
Right, so somebody parked the last time.
Right here.
Guys, so we just arrived to the Blue Lagoon rafting area. We have to do this quick because the rain might come. It's setting up to rain and it looks dry over here. But where we're coming from, it was raining like crazy. So we're about to go on this rafting. Let's get this started. I feel so high.
Like a morning breeze.
Yeah. Same, some of my mother did Fred and love it. Yeah.
I don't want to do it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So which one we go up on? So per car, you know.
No man, that's alright now.
Oh yeah,
You're still right on the front of the garden, yeah?
You might
Let me see
kept
the
your
ball.
name already? You listen clean.
You gonna sit beside it? Yeah. Walk sideways. You going to sit on the ground.
Alright. Say hi, kids.
Come over some more. Oh, him? Me. I've been watching
We out here. Say hey, Danielle. Hello. You sure I need any different bamboo? Them said down here said Rihanna and Tiger they shot him video the last time he did there. Remember Tiger and Rihanna?
Oh, whatever,
You afraid for sure? Yeah. Them said down here said Rihanna and
I can't remember which house we were staying. You know, you have a deck though, so I got that.
I want them a walk or I flip them up.
no, some part shallow.
Put them on the up them.
You know much for rent them something, yeah?
And that,
This is the one Beyonce stayed.
This one?
yeah.
This is the greenhouse that what Tiger did a video right there. So. Yeah. Them have money. Somebody gonna come off or something? Stop thinking about it. And huh? Oh. Oh, me see.
You see? And you tell me that the man them there out there to look at something like a normal thing. And them thing
If
there
you're not
that
trouble,
all-
them not trouble you.
You don't know that.
True that still.
You really go so sweet and say, ah, yeah, trick me.
Many things are too grand something and I'm sure it's like it. Look on the paintings. Yeah. That's why the Jamaican never take advantage of everything right now. Guys, she's so scared right now. She's like she's so scared. But I'm telling her don't think about it. Yeah. I'm not even carry down. They might build up enough new house around here, man. Them probably like I put glass on them, so
Like,
yeah, yeah, kinda nice.
no, so, oh, stinky.
This is our first time episode. Call you. Oh, shit. What the shallow like some part shallow and some part kind of deep.
That's some part hotter.
Behind us a Frenchman cove.
We need more people. I'm going to look for the picture them from last week. I don't want to
I get her got on some Splendor. My brother was supposed to come drop because I told him when I was leaving, he not even leave me. I said, yo, man, drop off the car, come get this to me or whatever, you know?
Probably busy.
Yeah. So, pretty much. Now go. You know, I mean, whenever I come back,
It's only 1 month over here. It's only 1 month over here. Yeah, right now?
we'll feel better.
Guys, so we're finally here at Monkey Island. Finally here. Really? All right.
Yo, go on, 4 5 bucks around. Hurt yourself.
You good, Gavin? You good? Man them out. Play here, you love Ram.
Shark.
Like, are you on the shark? Come out here.
Of course, all of the fish then.
Ha! Pun intended.
Walk at the end. Daniel. Oh no, yeah. Where are you from?
Guys, so we're leaving Monkey Island and going to another spot. So we're doing good with timing with the rain. So we're going to Frenchman Cove after this and then off to Kingston.
a start and you're mad. Why don't you get a life and leave the blame behind? And I can't be without you, without you. What we made the plan, we didn't care. Was a mistake, what I never saw it. Why we made the plan, we didn't care. Was a mistake, why I never saw it. Like a twister, oh, oh, oh. Make a big mess, oh, oh, oh. It's the same, baby. Why you did, baby. Like a twister, oh, oh, oh. Make a big mess, oh, oh, oh. It's the same, baby. Why you did, hey. We made the plan, we didn't care. Was a mistake, why I never saw it. Why we made the plan, we didn't care. Was a mistake, why I never saw it. Like a twister, oh, oh, oh. Make a big mess, oh, oh, oh. It's the same, baby.
Hey guys, so we were supposed to go to Frenchman Cove, but unfortunately it's closed because of the weather. So now we're at Boston Beach, and we're going to go to Boston Beach. It's a little rocky at Boston Beach though. It's not one of my favorite beach, but it's beautiful. So yeah, and the famous Boston Jerk Center. Everybody always stop right here in the square to buy food. What I'm saying? Made it. Wow.
What's up? We're
What?
here, Boston Beach, having a drink.
I can't even get a good lighting for you guys. But we're here, Boston Beach. You're going to the water now.
You want to go to the water now?
Yeah.
Give me everything on my set me up. What shall I get there? One hour supper. What? You want to cook in 1 hour supper?
Yeah, how much? How much fee?
Let me see. No, Mr. 18. That's how it was.
My music is an artistic reflection of the ladies. Why? Because they're my babies. Pretty little girl in a pretty little world. Won't give you time when no one give you pearl. Pretty little girl in a pretty little world. Won't give you time when no one give you pearl. Oh, she beautiful, nobody can tell.
Guys, you have to make a stop at the KFC in Port Antonio. I already started eating, but they're the truth. It tastes like back in the day KFC. So good.
People
is one of my favorite rentals so far. It's so good. I'm gonna close out the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell him to subscribe, Daniel.
Match it up, match it up.
What? Match it up?
Yes, match it up. Run it up, run it up. Yeah, I understand.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, everybody. And I love you guys for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Have a good evening.